I couldn't get to this stage and not give you a bit of a preview of what we have so far. That just would not be remotely fair, because it's really coming together. So here's a little separate little video, which is just a compilation of all the bits we've got so far, minus a few little trim pieces which obviously aren't going to go on until we get to that. So we've got the left and the right leg, as you can see here, mostly metal, very heavy. We have got the, oops, let's move this over here. I need a wider angle. I need to move things and get you a wider angle shot. We'll do that in a moment. Right, set that over there. We have got the sort of crotch with flappy articulated armour pieces, and we've got the upper bits for the legs, which allow it to swivel in, or are going to allow it to swivel in and out a little bit and move back and forth like so. These two pieces connect together and allow the rotating action. If I can snap these together just to show you where we're at. There and there. Come on now, behave yourself. So these bits fasten together like so, and they will be covered by this decorative piece, which will fit into these slots thusly, and that will neaten up and connect between the base that way. Is it that way? Yeah. So it will go, which way around are we? Yes, so it will fit in that way into those slots, and that will, no, I've got that the wrong way around. It was the right way around the first time. So yeah, it'll fit in that way into these slots, and then that will fit into there and neaten up that area underneath the groin. So that's the upper part of the legs and the sort of codpiece, groin armour. We've got two arms, a left and a right, conveniently. We've got a head. If you want to get a head, get a hat, with magnetised removable faceplate for accessing the batteries, and of course the lighter pies. We have got the body with arc reactor. It actually looks like I was a bit wrong about this. I don't think this is a push button. I think that actually holds in place, and you sort of press the arc reactor in and out to get it to light. I might be wrong about that. I might say it might just be that I've not assembled it quite neatly enough at the moment, but that looks like how it's going to be. So that's pretty cool. Nice big chunky heavy metal torso, and then the arms, of course, which are going to connect, and they will screw onto these protruding plastic doofers that are coming out of here. Ooh, this is getting exciting. Like so. Oh, look at this. Check this out. Look at it. Fantastic. Right, so what I'm going to do is try and give you a long shot with all these parts roughly in a sort of position where they'd be. If I can do that, I'm going to try and utilise a bit of tape and elastic bands and things to hold things together and see if we can get a bit of an idea. The one thing I can't do just now is show you the head attached, because we're obviously waiting for a neck piece, because as you can see, that physically won't go down into there, so we're clearly waiting for a neck piece to go into there. Oh, this is just so cool. This is so cool. It seems like it's been a lot of episodes and it's been a lot of time getting to this point, but it's really coming together now, and this thing is going to be so big and so cool. So back in a second. So what we have here is a view of the components that we have so far, which I've laid out on the floor. I did actually try, you can see with the tape there, I tried to kind of fasten it all together to see if I could maybe stand it up, even using the stand, but it's not quite at a point where I can fasten the bits together securely enough to hold in place. So what I've had to do, to give you an idea, of the entire thing is to show it you like this. And that next to it on the floor is a steel 30 centimetre or 12-inch ruler, just to give you a little bit of an idea of the overall size. I'm going to scoot down close and we'll have a sweep up the figure. And I think, I hope you'll agree, that's actually pretty impressive so far. So there's a little sneak preview of the parts that we have so far and how it's coming together. I hope you're enjoying this, and as before, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and feel free to share, leave a comment, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.